Hey guys, it's Brianna, and I've had a couple people ask me for an update on my backpack repair videos, so it's been a couple weeks, and here is the update. The backpack is still in pretty good shape. The top from the freight check still is really stiff, which is great. Patch is lasting pretty well. So I'm constantly taking things in and out of this backpack because I use it to walk our dogs and different things like that. So the hole is starting to come out again, which sucks. But from where my hole is on the backpack, it's not really surprising. The majority of the patch is staying really well. It's just this corner right here and the top corner where our hole was. But the hole is a lot smaller, and I still think this method would work if you didn't have a heavy plastic, because that's basically what the inside of this backpack is. So with overuse, it's just flaking apart. Another thing that I'm going to try is to do a stitch right in between where the zipper is, still on the inside. And like I've said before, if you're not looking for a way to preserve the backpack, like honestly, I could put a Disney Pooh Bear patch where this fraying hole is, and it would probably seal it up and I wouldn't have any issues. But I love this backpack so much in the way that it already looks, so I'm trying to preserve that. It's pretty strong, so the last thing I'm gonna do is super glue these frayed pieces just to tack them down, and then we're pretty much good. I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!